Big Crew. Hey guys. So, I don't know if y'all know what today's date is, but today is 7-Eleven. So 7-Eleven represents Slurpee Day. At 7-Eleven, it's their birthday. So on July 11th, 7-Eleven. Yeah.
I never knew that. I thought it was just a couple of random store.
It's their birthday. I mean, I don't know if that was like if it was discovered on July 11th, but since it's called 7-Eleven, they use July 11th as their birthday anniversary. So on 7-Eleven, they allow all the customers to get free Slurpees, and everything else is like discount. Not everything, but some things are discounted. So we stopped by 7-Eleven today. Wait, before we show you what we got, what did it do, Briera? Subscribe. And as y'all can see, I'm in the driver's seat again. This is just so not fair. Every time we're out and about, I gotta be the driver? That's not fair.
Because you're the host, so it's like you host the videos in the car better.
No. So, we went to one 7-Eleven while we was getting gas. And guess what? You ain't guessing?
We know.
Okay.
The machine was there.
Yes, they had a sign up there that said, sorry, Slurpee machine is down. Like, what? And at the same time, all of us was walking in. There was another guy that was pulling up. And we was like, the machine was down. He was like, just as mad as we was. Like, how you, what? On the busiest day, your Slurpee machine gonna be down? That's just like going to McDonald's. You got your mouth all set on getting a smoothie or getting a milkshake. And they like, oh, well, our machine is down. Or McFlurry, you know, all of that.
Definitely.
So, then we went to a second.
Oh, wait.
What?
You can't get a McFlurry, be McFlurry. Those still my jokes.
No, I don't even understand it. I guess I had a slow moment. I don't know. But, so we went to a second 7-Eleven.
The floor sticky.
The floor was so sticky.
They only had the Coca-Cola flavor.
They only had the Coca-Cola flavor. So we did get a Coca-Cola flavor out of the first one. I mean, it was free, so we got it.
It was the best.
But it's not the best. It's not my first choice. So then we went to a third 7-Eleven, and they had all the flavors. So that was really good. The floors weren't sticky. They had all the stuff. So I got a hibiscus lemonade. Where's mine? I got a hibiscus lemonade. Mine is nice and pink. I like it. It tastes good.
Oh no, nope.
What y'all get?
I got a blue raspberry with the little stripe thingy. What was the stripe thingy?
Oh, it was like a different type of Sprite flavor. I can't remember what it said. I should have took a picture. I can't remember. What you got?
And then I mixed it with my Coca-Cola.
See,
and I also got bread on
Riera is the only one that officially likes the Coca-Cola one. Like, she was okay with having Coca-Cola. We like,
it. And
what?
I got cherry also. So I got like 4 different.
So you probably got like a cherry Coke mixture. You probably got a cherry
I
Coke
probably got
mixture.
like cherry Coke mixed with blueberry, mixed with the Sprite.
I think I got some of anything besides cherry.
I got
Mine
cherry
is,
and-
yeah, go ahead, Brianna.
Oh, I got cherry and like.
Biscuits.
I think it was biscuits.
Oh, you got the, yeah.
Yeah.
I liked it by itself. I didn't need to mix it.
But I put cherry at the bottom first and then
This is like, I start off with the lemonade.
Biscuit lemonade?
No, the Sprite lemonade.
Okay, that's what Riera got.
I ate that first, and I put some of the purple dragon fruit in there. That tastes like dyed, so I ain't really like that too much.
the only thing is my hands are really sticky.
Yeah, my hands are sticky.
Then I put some blue in there, and then,
Blue?
yeah.
Blue raspberry?
That's what it was?
He said blue. I'm trying to plug my phone up. It's about to die.
And then I think I had, oh, no, that's the coconut one.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Brian Jr., what kind did you get? You don't know. What color was it?
He got cherry and blue raspberry.
It's purple. Cherry and blue raspberry. Yes, red and blue mixed purple. And then we got some snacks. So I had some 7-Eleven points that I needed to redeem.
I'm redeeming your points.
You been redeeming my points? That's what I knew something wasn't right. I said I thought I had more than that. See,
Indeed, at 1 point.
he was redeeming my points. No, he did. So I redeemed them for some chicken rollers. I don't know if y'all ever tried these. It's like the buffalo chicken roller, chicken in the middle, with the buffalo outside. So I got 2. Brianna got 2. Let's see what you get.
I got 1.
How many?
Buffalo spicy.
Buffalo and spicy.
Spicy with the flavor.
Where would you get? Okay. Okay. So the parking lot is really busy. So we just sitting in the parking lot, eating out snacks,
Because it's really hard to
watching all these cars go in and out.
Watching people throwing each other in the jumper pack.
Yeah, I
It's
got
really hard outside.
people made that a thing. It's a part of their wardrobe.
Mom, can I try one?
You have a bite? Yeah. Okay. So guys, make sure y'all get to a 7-Eleven before the Slurpees run out. So I don't know if they're going to stop at 7 o'clock or at 11 o'clock or just run it the whole day. I don't know. But get to your closest 7-Eleven so you can pick up some Slurpees, so that you can pick up some snacks, some discounted snacks. Make sure y'all redeem those 7-Eleven points because it comes in handy. We didn't have to pay for the chicken rollers, so we only had to pay for the chicken and the pizza. So Briera, what do our friends need to do?
Like, comment.
Subscribe. Brian Jr. is back here behind me. You can't see him. What do they need to do? Say it. What?
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna find this video ends.
Good friend.
You know what? It's always these Bryans. It's the big Brian and the little Brian. That's so
I took
uncooperative.
my part.
Did y'all notice that? Go back and watch the other videos to see. It's always them two that's not cooperative.
And I was on time.
Yep. So, everyone out there, enjoy your 7-Eleven day, your free Slurpee day, your discounted 7-Eleven snack day. Go back and watch our other videos. Stay tuned for new videos. Until next time. Bye.